To understand why water is wet, we first need to know, what does wet even mean? When we say something is wet, we mean it has water sticking to it. Like when you jump in a pool, your clothes feel wet because water clings to the fabric. That's what being wet is all about, water sticking to things. But why does water stick to things? That's because water is made up of super tiny building blocks called molecules. And guess what? These molecules love to stick together, kind of like best friends holding hands. This is called cohesion. It's what makes water molecules stick to each other. But water molecules also like to stick to other things, like your skin or clothes. That's called adhesion. Okay, here's the tricky part. If water makes other things wet, does that mean water is wet too? Well, water isn't wet all by itself. It's just water. But when water touches something else, it makes that thing wet. So water is only wet when it's on something. Isn't that a funny way to think about it? Here's a fun fact. Did you know some animals have special fur or feathers that don't get wet? Ducks, for example, have oil on their feathers that keeps water from sticking to them. It just rolls right off. So, not everything gets wet as easily as a paper towel or your clothes. Wow! We learned so much today. Water makes things wet because its molecules love to stick to stuff. But water itself, it's not wet unless it's touching something else. Thanks for exploring this question with me today. If you have more awesome questions, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more.